Mesiana Malawi SDA Church was established a decade ago. When the church started, it started with few members. But we thank God today that the church has grown. We have more than 50 members, and we have vibrant youth department, women's ministry, and Adventist men. The church was established with a purpose to serve Malawians who stay in South Bend and Berrien Springs. The church is situated in Niles, Michigan. Last Sabbath, the church welcomed members that joined the congregation in 2016 and other years before. It was a wonderful occasion. The church, through hospitality committee, prepared dinner, and we had a lot of food. We had time to share the food and also fellowship with one another. We are so happy that these people, when they came to United States, they decided to come and be part of Mesiana Malawi SDA Church. Most of the speeches that were made, they encouraged these new members to feel welcome to Mesiana Malawi SDA Church and also to join different groups that are there at the church. They were also encouraged that as new members, their contribution is highly welcome. They were encouraged that their participation in various activities of the church is very welcome. Most of the people who spoke on that day, they expressed their happiness to have these new members join the church. It is the prayer of the church that these new members will enjoy their stay here in the United States of America.
Kagera.